G'day everyone, another little update on my AL-60 lathe. It's a Sieg C6, a 10x22 lathe. I've updated my brass, steel, copper, you name it, Swarf collector. All the Swarf goes in here. It's a bit of copper sheet that I got off a building site. Just show it to you. Two bolts here that go into the lathe, holds it down. You can see that I've been doing a fair bit of work on here, and you can see the swarf in there, and all the ways are perfect. It's just a simple matter. When you're finished, just hang on, I'll just come over here, get the brush, come back. Simple matter, brush all the crud that you don't want. Out the back, and everything collects out there. I've got another piece of copper out the back there. Just to tell you where I get all the copper from. My two sons own a plumbing company, so I virtually have unlimited access to copper and brass. But you could make this out of just some thin sheet steel. I put the edges on it. I formed some copper and put that over the top there, so there's no sharp edges on anything. You just see that, formed it right over the top, and it works brilliant. Most of the chips get caught in here, but on the odd occasion, when I do have something that's spraying out a bit, I just hold this bit of broken plastic. I think it's off an old tap and die, Chinese tap and die set that no longer is with me, but I kept the broken lid off this, and I just put that there, and I get no swarf coming back onto me or onto the floor, onto my shoes, or if I'm just wearing thongs, no hot feet. So there we have it, a nice simple little mod. I know a lot of guys do have swarf catchers to keep their ways clean, but if you don't, I highly recommend it. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye for now.